Welcome to Instructional Videos. Today we are going to set up the premium aluminum tent. Now before you begin, you want to make sure that you have a second person handy because this is a two-person install. So first thing I'm going to do is remove all the parts from this convenient carry case. Now with a second person, you're going to open the frame about 50% and then we're going to install the canopy. So we're just going to pull open the frame. And then you're going to open your canopy and identify the apex. Now on the larger tent frames, there's going to be multiple apexes. So once we've identified the apexes, we're going to throw the canopy onto the frame and align those apexes. Now that all the apexes are aligned, you're going to work around the corners and the middle post, connecting the hook and loop together. So you're just going to flip up the canopy and connect the hook and loop strips together. Now when it comes to attaching the center hook and loop strips, you want to make a note that they actually go around the tent frame. So it goes around the tent frame to attach the canopy. Once all the hook and loop is attached, you just want to make sure that the canopy is flipped over all the hubs on your frame before we pull it open. Now that the canopy is fully installed, we're ready to completely open the frame. So with another person, you're going to stand opposite of that person and pull on the legs until the canopy is fully open. So we're just going to pull, and then we're going to switch. Once you have the tent frame fully expanded, you want to lock the hubs of the tent into place on each corner. So you're just going to pull up until they lock into place. Now with your canopy locked into place, you're ready to extend the tent legs. So working on one side with your partner, you're going to extend the leg to its first notch. So you're just going to pull up and extend the leg into place. And then you're going to work towards the middle. And then you're going to work towards the back of the display. Once your tent legs are expanded, you can keep working around the tent to lift them up to their desired height. Now with my tent at its desired height, I'm going to crank up the canopy.
Now I'm out. Now I'm out. Now I'm out.
Now with all the apexes of your canopy up, you're ready to stake the tent down. So using the included stakes and rope, you're just going to insert one end of the rope through the loop on the side of your canopy, and then you're just going to simply tie it to a stake. It is very important to stake down your tent. And it's just that easy to set up your premium aluminum tent.
To install ballast weight onto your event tent is quick and easy. Simply place the ballast weight's opening around the tent leg frame. Now you're ready to utilize the stabilizing strength of the ballast weight.